Welcome! In this guide, we'll walk you through the process of connecting to a Firebird database using FlameRobin. Step 1. Download and launch FlameRobin. Download FlameRobin from this link. You can find this link in the description too. Choose the alternative download option, extract the zip file, and open the FlameRobin folder. Locate and launch the application by double-clicking the FlameRobin executable file. Step 2. Find the database name. To connect to an existing database, you'll first need its name. Open SQL account and go to the logon page. Click the settings icon to view available databases. Identify the database you want to connect to. For example, ACC0001. Step 3. Register the database in FlameRobin. In FlameRobin, right-click on localhost and select Register Existing Database. Click the three-dot button to browse and select the database file. Step 4. Set user credentials. Enter the database credentials. Typically, the default username is SISDBA and the password is master key. Set the character set to UTF-8. Click Save to confirm. Step 5. Access the database. Double-click on the registered database. If a warning message appears, click Yes to proceed. Step 6. Explore tables. Navigate to the Tables section to view the database structure. To see the column names of a specific table, double-click its name. You're now ready to access and interact with your Firebird database using FlameRobin. Step 7. Explore tables data. In FlameRobin, if you want to view the table data of sales invoice, choose SL_IV. Right-click on the table you want to explore and select Browse Data to create the query. This will retrieve data from the table. To view all table details, click the play button. Please note, the data is for viewing purposes only, and no changes are permitted to the database as it is linked to multiple other tables. You're now ready to access and interact with your Firebird database using FlameRobin. Thank you.